Welcome to my YouTube channel. Showtime!
What are we making today?
Cookies.
We're making apple cinnamon oatmeal cookies. The first thing we need to do is preheat the oven to 350 degrees. Second thing we need to do is in a mixing bowl, that mixing bowl right in front of you,
Okay.
we need 1 1/4 cups all-purpose flour. I'm gonna dump this in there.
Yeah. Okay. There. That's it. Now what should we put in?
We gotta put in another 1 1/2. Okay.
There.
Yep. Okay, and we need another half of this.
Why? Because we're gonna take it all of it.
No, it calls for 1 1/4 cups of all-purpose flour.
I put more.
It's okay. And then we need 1 1/4 cups of old-fashioned oats.
Oats. Ooh, they fought in there.
That's okay. We spilled a little bit.
Ooh.
Okay. Okay, I need that back.
Now it looks like an oatmeal.
Yeah.
Is that those oats are kind of oatmeal? Are those oatmeal?
Yep. Same type.
Wow, it looks like an oatmeal castle.
Okay, put that last scoop in.
Oops, I just touched it though.
It's okay. We're gonna bake it. So we need 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Okay, put that in.
Now it kind of looks great.
We need a 1/2 of a teaspoon of baking soda.
It smells like oatmeal.
Yeah.
It smells like Cheerios or something.
Yeah.
Put them in.
Don't get it all.
Chocolate chips.
Not yet. We need to put a 1/4 teaspoon of salt.
Why do we?
Put that in there.
Salt.
Yeah.
We can't eat salt.
Okay, and then we need to mix this for 20 seconds.
Can I mix it? Can I? Can I?
Yep.
Okay.
Just hang on. Okay.
Looks like powder.
What does it look like?
It looks like powder.
Powder.
There. Now it's mixed. It's like that.
Okay. Can Daddy see that we need to mix it a little bit more than that?
But now we don't need chocolate chips yet.
You want to put chocolate chips in it? No.
Yeah.
Okay, hang on.
Wow. Oh.
So why don't you tell everybody, the nice thing about this recipe is you can add whatever additions you want. So you can put chocolate chips in it, pecans, walnuts.
I would like to put that in first.
Okay, well, here.
We only want one.
Okay.
There, put the chocolate chips in for you, Dada.
Perfect, thank you.
Now mix it. Now.
Yep. You can mix it again.
There's powder. Patty cake, baker's man, bake me cookies for baby and me. What is funny?
You're funny.
The cookie. Now let's cook. It's cookies, Daddy. I made them. They're mixed already.
We need to mix a 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and 3/4 of a cup of light brown sugar packed.
So, I can't put it. Ah, there you go.
We need 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar.
Can I dump it in?
Okay, now dump that in there too.
Oopsie. Dumped it in. Perfect.
Alright, so now
What name?
we need to use the mixer.
Mixer? I want to mix this.
You can keep mixing that. Do you want to use this mixer?
Yeah. What is that?
This one might be a little bit too difficult for you to use, so we're gonna. We'll see.
I'm gonna mix this one. Be carefully. In here.
Yep.
What the? I just dropped one.
That's perfect. That's where it needed to go. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Alright, we gotta keep mixing this now.
Oh, I wish I helped peeling you that apple. I wish I
Have you used an apple peeler before? Or have you
No.
peeled anything before?
No. I just splashed one in my eye.
I'm sorry. Hey, do you remember what we picked?
Yeah.
What did we pick?
Apples.
Wow, that is perfect. Squeeze that.
Oh.
It's okay.
Squeeze. Okay. Can I do that?
Well, you gotta squeeze it a lot harder than you were. Because we gotta get the juice all over. Oh.
And seeds.
Pick the seeds out, please.
Slippery.
Yep, sure is. Okay. So now we have to add this mixture into here.
Into the big bowl.
Yep. So what we want to do is stir this in.
Oh, can I stir it?
Yep.
It's a big mixer. Now it looks like cookies, Daddy. And it kind of looks like cookies now.
Yep. So now that's what the dough should look like.
Look, it looks like cookies, but it does not. So it kind of looks like dough and it kind of looks like cookies now.
We got to mix in our apples.
And I'm your best friend.
You sure are.
Yeah. Ooh, now you can mix it.
Yep, we're gonna mix that in.
It's a nice day to make cookies.
Wanna take a cookie? Go like that.
Ooh.
So now we're ready to bake these for 14 to 15 minutes.
Now we're ready to bake them in, what number?
14 to 15 minutes.
14 or 15 minutes. Now put them in the oven. Now?
No, they're not quite done.
What's it gonna do?
What's it gonna do?
Yeah,
It's cooking.
it's not cooking.
It is cooking.
It's not steaming.
Oh, it's very hot inside the oven.
Wow.
You want to see? Just stand back.
Okay, stand back.
You feel all that heat? Does that smell good?
Yeah, I just don't want to smell the bread.
cool a little bit, we can split one in a second.
Well, I just want it.
Well, here, how about this? If you just want to try one.
I just try it. Thank you.
It's hot.
Now, can you? Is it good? Crunchy. Crunchy, yeah.
Just the outside's crunchy.
This is soft now.
You like it?
Yeah.
So you don't have to eat it if you don't like it.
Well, that's okay. I like it.
Are these your favorite cookies?
Yeah. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
High five.